Question number 126. Which of the given feature is not related to mustard? First option, superior ovary. Second, variable length of filaments of stamen. Third, parietal placentation. Fourth, opposite phyllotaxy. In case of mustard, that is a member of family Brassicaceae, they have superior ovary. Yes. Mustard shows a tetradynamous condition of stamens. In which total 6 stamens are present, out of which the 4 are long and the 2 are short. These 4 are present on the inner side and the 2 on the outer side. So, there is variable length of filaments of stamens. Yes, 2 have shorter filament and the 4 have longer filaments. So, this is also true. Third, parietal placentation. Yes, mustard shows parietal placentation where the ovules are present at the periphery. Fourth, opposite phyllotaxy. No. Mustard has alternate phyllotaxy, not the opposite. In opposite phyllotaxy, each node has a pair of leaves, whereas in alternate phyllotaxy, each node has a single leaf only. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 127. A type of fruit in which entire inflorescence is converted into a fruit is called. First option, aggregate fruit. Second, composite fruit. Third, succulent fruit. Fourth, dry indehiscent simple fruit. So, a type of fruit in which entire inflorescence is converted into a fruit is, see the options. First is aggregate fruit. In case of aggregate fruit, the fruit develops from polycarpillary apocarpous ovary, for example in strawberry. So this option is ruled out. Second is composite fruit. Yes. Third is succulent fruit. Any fleshy fruit is called succulent fruit. So this option is also ruled out. Fourth, dry indehiscent simple fruit. Simple fruit develops from a single flower, not from the entire inflorescence. So this option is also ruled out. Composite fruit, also known as multiple fruit, is a fruit in which it develops from entire inflorescence. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 128. A small pore above the scar found on seed coat is first option micropyle, second hilum, third plumule, fourth tegmen. Tegmen is seed coat. And the question is asking about the spore which is found on the seed coat. Plumule is the embryonal axis which is found above the cotyledon in a seed. So this option is also ruled out. Second is hilum. Hilum is the scar found on the seed coat. It is the hilum, and the pore which is present above the hilum is called micropyle. So the correct option for the given question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 129. How many of the given features are related to maize seed? A. Scutalum. B. Albuminous. C. Thick seed coat. D. Radicle enclosed in coleoptile. E. Pericarp fuses with seed coat. First option 3, second 4, third 5, fourth 2. You know that maize seed is a monocotyledonous seed. Now, does it have scutalum? Yes, it has scutalum. It has a single cotyledon which is large and shield-shaped called scutalum. B. Albuminous. Yes, it is endospermic or albuminous. Most of the monocotyledonous seeds are albuminous in nature except orchids. So C. Thick seed coat? No, they do not have thick seed coat. Instead, their seed coat is fused with the pericarp or the fruit wall. D. Radicle enclosed in coleoptile? No, radicle is enclosed in coleorhiza, not the coleoptile. But coleoptile encloses the plumule. This option is ruled out. E. Pericarp fuses with seed coat. Yes, pericarp fuses with the seed coat. So how many features are related? A, B and E, that is 3. So the correct option for the given question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 130. Coconut is different from mango fruit in first option, having fibrous endocarp. Second, its edible part. Third, having thin mesocarp. Fourth, being a drupe. See how coconut fruit is different from a mango fruit. Both coconut and mango are drupe in nature. So fourth option is ruled out. Coconut cannot differ from mango in being a drupe, as both are drupe. Now see the first part, they differ in having fibrous endocarp. Both have stony endocarp. So this option is ruled out. Third, having thin mesocarp. Coconut has fibrous mesocarp, which is called coir, and in case of mango, the mesocarp is fleshy and edible. So this option is also ruled out. The left option is second, which is its edible part. Yes, coconut differs from mango fruit in its edible part because in coconut, the edible part is endosperm, whereas in mango, the edible part is the mesocarp, which is fleshy. So the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question.